Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, July the 30th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. The Jigsaw Sudoku number 8997. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits should be an easy one. Because the hard ones is always always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits, and we have double those numbers. So should be an easy one. Cannot be a 4 stars. It's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Well, I don't think it's a 4 stars. Maybe a 1 star or 0 stars. 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. For 1 star, faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is a 3 stars puzzle, or 1 star, or 0 stars puzzle. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. How about triple boxes? I see here a triple box contains the 1 and 2 and the 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Here, another triple box. Well, this box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 2. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Okay. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes in this puzzle? Let me check for quadra boxes. No quadra boxes here. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, here we have the S construction. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the Z construction. It's the same shape. Let me draw this here. When you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. Okay. So that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 4 or a 5. In that case, it's a 2 here. Alright. That means in this S construction, we have 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. This should be also 4 and 5, okay. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Yeah, let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. More. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, then the following shape. How about this kind of shape? Yeah, let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 3 here. Okay, do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this kind of shape? Yeah, let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 3 here. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. And the final shape, we have here the final shape. Let me draw this here. Yeah, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Here we have another one. This box has the same number as that box. We have more. No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes. Figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. 5 shapes. Maximum 6. I believe the T shape is missing here. 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Alright. These 3 boxes, surround 1 can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes, surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area, it's supposed to be there. Is connected with that box, will be also 3. 2 numbers left in this area from us 2 and 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be a 5. We have a 5 here in the same area. Yeah, definitely a 1. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be here. Then this box can be 2, this box can be 5, so the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 5, 2 and 5, so 1 digit left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Alright. Then, let me see. Let me see. Come on. Yeah, I need to think. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Come on. Well. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, and can be a 5. We have the 5 in the same area. Yeah, definitely 2 is connected with that box. Should be also 2, and this box is also connected with that box. Should be also 2. Here I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, so it can be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 5. That box should be a 3. Is connected with that box. Should be also 3. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3, can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely 2. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, no 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. Alright, then let me see. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 1 and 3. Okay, I need to wait there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can't be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. Is also connected with that box, should be so 1. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 3. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place a 3 there. The 3 is supposed to be there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay, this box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Let me mark those, 2 and 4. Then, let me see. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 3 and more. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box supposed to be here. And I've eliminated 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here, 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. And this one is connected with that box. Should be also a 4, 4 and a 5. In this S construction, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be so 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, 2 goes there. Then, let me see, I think this box should be 2, because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. Here also 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. So this can be 3 and more, okay. Then 3 and a 5, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and a 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2, so 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Well. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Then. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 2 goes there, finish in 13 minutes. Well, told you, need to be faster than 13, 14 minutes. Definitely a 0 stars with 16 printed digits. So well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again tomorrow on Wednesday. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.